Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to adjust Castor angle, a critical part of your vehicle's alignment. Castor is the forward or backward tilt of the steering axis, and it significantly impacts steering stability and how your wheels return to center after a turn. Getting this right ensures a smooth, predictable driving experience, preventing issues like wandering or heavy steering. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you need to locate the adjustment points on your vehicle. Castor is most commonly adjusted using eccentric bolts or shims, which are typically found on the control arms. For many vehicles, the upper control arm is where you'll make the primary adjustments. However, some designs might use the lower control arm. Always check your vehicle's specific service manual to pinpoint the exact locations for these crucial components. Now, let's get to the actual adjustment. First, loosen the eccentric bolts on the control arm. Then, rotate the eccentric to move the control arm pivot. Moving the top of the wheel backward increases positive Castor, while moving it forward decreases it. Make small adjustments, then tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is often around 100 foot-pounds. This ensures the adjustment holds securely. After making your adjustments, it's crucial to verify the new Castor angle using a professional alignment machine. Ensure that both sides of the vehicle are within 1/2 degree of each other for balanced handling. Take the vehicle for a test drive to confirm improved steering feel and stability. It's also a good practice to recheck the alignment after a short driving period to ensure everything has settled correctly. This final step guarantees optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.